everyone, today in this video I'm going to be checking out the Insta360 Third-Person Bike Handlebar Mount. They did send me the sample, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. Everything looks great. You'll see their logo and branding all throughout and a nice image on the front with the graphic and outline of the handlebar mount. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our product literature with a nice overview as well as installation instructions. Next, you'll see we have an extra stabilizer ring, followed by our extension pole. Got a cool carbon fiber design and pattern on it. I'm not sure if it's actually carbon fiber though. I would guess that it's not. But you'll see female and male end right there with our fine-tuned fixing nut. And then lastly, you'll see the mount itself. So get a feel for the two clamps. Just thread them loose, and then you can tighten them up, all just finger tight. Extra mounting option here if you want to attach maybe your phone or another accessory or device, you can. You'll see another option right there for one. And then this is where we can add the included extension pole. And then from there, we'll add our camera on the very end, just like this. Ta-da! All right, so take a look at the handlebar mounted right here. It is a perfect fit. So this isn't a bike, guys. This is an e-scooter. Got an electric scooter here I wanted to try it out on. And wouldn't you know, not an inch to spare. So we got that fastened on both sides. We could add an action cam here, right? We got our extension, so pretty sweet. Now it's time to try it out. So after using the mount, let me share with you my final thoughts. We got lucky having this be able to work with our scooter due to the fact that this mount really just doesn't give you any options to adjust it horizontally. I would love to see maybe some more flexibility with this in the future. I know it's made for bikes and we put it on a scooter, but I think a lot of you out there will get creative with how you want to mount this, depending on if it's a bike, dirt bike, scooter, you get the idea. So I'd love to see this design just reworked a little bit, where maybe you could slide back and forth. You could be able to adjust that width depending on where you're trying to mount it. Other than that, I noticed even on a scooter going about 13 miles an hour, when you had bumps, after a while, it really seemed to knock some of the adjustments down. So you really have to crank those tight. So I don't know how you fix that. Maybe some wing nuts or something that's just a little bit easier to tighten than just the little plastic washers, but I'd love to see maybe that refined a little bit too. It's going to be pretty basic, but I think good enough for most people, and you'll like to have that option built in that you have that accessory mount if you want to add another camera or anything else that you want, maybe your phone, things like that. So it's cool that we have the flexibility with this to mount multiple devices or get different angles, but there's still some fine tuning that could be done to make this even better.